choke on my tongue and gasp for breath. Scared my bed partner half to death. Thought I slept quietly, but it was violently. Waking up felt like a red-eye flight. I dozed off at the wheel once or twice. Caffeine was not enough, so I took some other stuff. I went to Penn, they checked me out. Told me I was overweight, no doubt. My baggy eyes, my BP high. My body was telling no lies. I went to Penn, they checked me out. From my sleep studies all throughout, my airway blocked, my breathing stopped. I'm always feeling expired. I'm tired, I'm about to get fired. 'Cause I have sleep apnea, and you're gonna hear me snore louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I have sleep apnea, and you're gonna hear me snore. Now I use my CPAP every night. Sleeping like a baby, I wake up bright. I've raised my energy and increased my memory. I went to Penn, they checked me out. No longer feeling expired. I'm wired, and at work I'm admired. I need my sleep apnea. You're not gonna hear me snore louder, louder than a lion. I beat my sleep apnea. You're